What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk. Well, this video is gonna be a trading video. I know, I think I never made a trading video here in this channel. In my Spanish channel, yes, I do a couple videos showing the charts. But guys, I'm a day trader. Um, this is my profession, and I know I talk about my life. You know, some of the things that happens to me. But I think I've never talked too much about trading, so I wanna make more videos about trading, and just share my journey, just share my passion with you guys, because trading for me is a passion. This is my passion. This is what I love, and that's why I've been doing this for almost 3 years, and I don't think I'm. I don't think I have no thoughts of slowing down, so I'm not gonna stop doing this. So today's video, I wanna talk about the two trades that I've missed this week, and this is GBP NCD and NCD JPY. These are the two trades that I missed. I didn't take this trade. I just put the risk to reward ratio 2, but I didn't take it just because it did not give me my all the confirmations that I needed in order to take the trade. And let's start off with GBP NCD. This is a trade that I was looking at since the beginning of the week, and the way that I trade is, first I look for the trend. I identify the trend, and in the way that I look at the markets, the way that I view the markets, this market is bullish indeed, because this is the higher high and this is the higher low. This might be the lower low, but since the candlestick has not closed yet, this is the higher low. So when I started looking at this market, this candlestick was up here, because it opened up on Monday. So this is the higher low, this is the higher high. We are bullish on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we are bearish, since this is the lower low and this is the lower high. And the 4 hour, this is the lower low and this is the lower high. What I do is I do what it's called a top-down analysis, and that is done by identify the trend on the weekly, on the daily, and the 4 hour, because those are the highest time frame that I use, and I use them to identify the trend and to identify my area of interest, which is also called support and resistance level, supply and demand zones, and a lot of people call it different. A lot of people have different names, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to the same. So, since the market is bullish on the weekly time frame, I don't look for an area of interest on the weekly. So what I do is I go down to the daily and I look for my area of interest on the daily time frame. Sorry. I'm surprised, guys. I've never spoken as much about trading in English because Spanish is my main channel, my main language, and I'm loving it. You know, I like this. I like to share this with you guys, and I also use it as a tool, as a way to improve my English. And I don't know if you guys know. Well, you don't probably know, because I think I've never said this in my English community. But I learned English. I mean, I'm learning, because I don't think I know shit. I don't think I'm an expert or something like that. I just like to share the bit that I know. But the bit that I know is in English. I did not learn English. Sorry. I did not learn trading in Spanish. I mean, at the beginning when I started my journey 2 years ago to almost 3 years ago, the first mentor that I had, which is Zensei, which is friend of my current mentor, their friend, and the first mentor that I had was in Spanish, was a Spanish guy, and after that, after 2 years using that way of trading, I did not ended up liking it, and I had another mentor that was in English, but I did not like it, and now my current mentor, I love this way of trading. I mean, I'm a swing trader, and I mean, I'm a day trader slash swing trader, and this is in English. I mean, I learned trading in English, so if you see that in the other videos I speak a little bit less fluently, it's because I'm familiarized with the market and all the fundamentals and all the core foundation of it are learning in English. So I identify my area of interest in order for me to, well, in this case is a resistance level. As we can see, a resistance level is an area where price tends to react, and it can react again in the time, over time. As we can see, every time we are below, we have a push to the downside. When we are above, we have a push to the upside. When we are above, we have a push to the upside. So, in order for me to count an area of interest as valid, I need a minimum of three touches. And here I have one, oh sorry, here I have one, I have two, and I have three. So this area of interest is valid, as we can see. And at the time when I mark up this area of interest, I also have what it is called, what's called a round psychological level. For those of you guys that don't know, my mentor is Alex, Alex Gonzalez. He is a great trader. He's a Spanish guy. He's Cuban, but his YouTube and all his social media is in English because I think that's what he knows. But that's the guy that I learned from, and I'm so grateful with him for having so much valuable content on YouTube. Because guys, I learned English. Sorry, I learned trading for free. I learned trading watching videos on YouTube like a motherfucker all day long, just sitting there watching videos, writing, taking down notes. And he has a course, a 10-hour course on YouTube. I recommend that if you guys want to learn how to read the market and all of this. And it is called, I think it's the trading industry will hate me for this course, but it is a 10-hour course which I 100 recommend. And that video changed my life, I would say, because that single video taught me how to identify the trend, area of interest. He taught me everything about this new way of trading for me, and it is very different from the other ways of trading that I used to, that I used to be part of, that I used to use, and I love it. I've never been as passionate for trading as I am now, and I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, that video, I will always be grateful with Alex for making that video. And yep. So as we can see, the price came back and retest the area of interest. We have rejection, 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 but price did not give me my head and shoulders pattern. I know for those of you guys might not be understanding this, but I might have to make more videos about trading in English, as I said. But today I just wanna tell you the trades that I missed, which is this one. I missed a sell on this market. As you can see, price made the whole move, but I did not have my head and shoulders pattern, so I don't have my checklist, my full checklist complete. So it's part of my plan. I have to follow my trading plan, and I don't have to break my rules. So even though I missed this trade, I won, quote unquote, because I follow my trading plan. And when I follow my trading plan, I win. Even though it's not monetary, but my trading plan helps helps me make more money and also avoid a lot of money. So the other trade that I missed was this one. As I said, I did not take it, but I love this trade. I did not take it just because same thing with this one. It did not give me my interest, my full checklist, my full confirmation. So I was needing more confirmation. And let's take this out. And I mean, this trade was beautiful. I mean, weekly time frame bullish, daily time frame bullish, 4 hour was bearish, but it doesn't matter because I have two consecutive time frames in sync. I have a combined area of interest at a support level, which is support from the weekly and a support from the daily. They're both overlapping. And guys, as you can see, this is a textbook as it can get. I don't know if that word is real, but I just said it. And I have this break and rate this. I mean, it's just beautiful. I mean, it's Picasso, as Alex says. And price comes back, retest, goes to the moon. And I like the pairs that have the JPY because like USD JPY and CD JPY because I think that price tends to run a lot. I mean, price. I have my risk reward is a 1 to 2, but it might probably give me a 1 to 3, a 1 to 4. I mean, this has the momentum is so strong that I don't place a tape profit. I just let it ride. But since I didn't take this trade, I'm gonna take this off. So, and this trade, I mean, this is a beautiful trade, but I might take it next week. So I wanted to explain all of these pairs, but I will have to start making more videos before that, so you guys don't get confused. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys like this video, and I'm thinking about making more videos about trading in English, and I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. I'm so passionate about trading, and I also like to speak English, even though English is not my main language. Spanish is my main language, and I also have a YouTube channel in Spanish, so you guys can go and watch if you guys want to. So see you guys on the next video.